Where would you go if you could go anywhere in our city? Well, let's give your weekend a little glow up. Let's check out these events. Hey guys, there's still time to grab mom one of these amazing notebooks. Make sure you check them out. Don't miss them. Welcome back, Localtarians. As always, we are happy to see you, and this is for your 13th, 14th, and 15th of May weekend. So come check it out. Lots of great stuff. We're going to have a little glow up. Let's go check out some of the amazing events going on for your weekend. Come on and get out there. Stop staying in as much. You got to get out once in a while and say hey to life. Friday! All right, guys, all week long, that's right, all week, Nurse Appreciation Week going on at Heal. Make sure that you show some appreciation to your favorite nurse. 10 a.m. on Friday, Heroes and Monsters, Jean-Michel Basquiat, the Thaddeus Mumford Jr. Venice Collection at Orlando Museum of Art. $0 to $20 will get you into this amazing exhibit going on until June 30th. 11 a.m. Groovy Gathering presented by The Company at the Veranda at Thornton Park in the Summerlin House. And it's free, so come on out and enjoy this amazing event. Lots of vendors, lots of fun things to do. Come on out and enjoy Thornton Park. 12 p.m. Orlando Opera, The High Note online. This free event, I will print the description and the link down in the bottom of our page here so that you can go over and check out some opera for yourself. 5:30 p.m. Fall into Fabulous Pop-Up Boutique at Fashion Square Mall. $50 and you can come in and check out some of your most amazing favorite places to shop and enjoy some great deals. 6:30 p.m. on Friday, Haunted Waterhouse, a ghost tour at Art and History Museums. $40 to come on out and check out all the haunted things going on. 7 p.m. Stay at Home Astronauts, Mirror Parts, Run the Riot, all playing live at Stardust Video and Coffee. $10 you can come in and enjoy this amazing musical event with some of your favorite local musicians. 7 p.m. on Friday, Ace Enders, Rare Candy, Matt Rosa playing at Will's Pub. $18 to get in, and of course there's just so much amazing local music. You really can't go wrong with any of these great shows. 8 p.m. Beautiful, the Carole King musical at Walt Disney World Theater, Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. $44.75 and up. And this will be going on only until May 15th, so make sure you don't miss it. And last but not least for your Friday, 8 p.m., CB Carlisle, Desert Angels, Amphetamines, Staircase Spirit, Hound, and they are playing at Uncle Lou's. So come on out and enjoy Uncle Lou's for yourself. A little great haunt. If you've never been, be prepared for something that's not as big as your normal venue, but just as much heart as every place else you can go, and lots of amazing music. So check it out. All right, guys, if you want even more for your week or for your weekend, make sure you go over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. And don't forget to ring the bell here, too, so that whenever we have a new video, we can keep you informed of what we're up to. If you go over to our Local Love Facebook page, you are going to find a new event post every single day of the week. So check it out so that you can get even more great local events. All right, let's do it. Saturday. 9 a.m. Teacher Appreciation Days at Wonderworks Orlando. All teachers and education support staff to visit for free during the month of May. And of course, you can bring up to 4 additional guests for Wonderworks at 50% off. And that'll be going on until May 31st. So make sure you come out and check out the Wonder. 10 a.m. Gatorpalooza at Gatorland. Live music, food vendors, artisans, and craft vendors, fun games and giveaways, not to mention alligators, right? Come on out and check out this amazing place. Lots of wonderful animals, $32.99, and get your palooza on. 10 a.m. on Saturday, ARC's World Migratory Bird Day at the Avian Reconditioning Center for Birds of Prey. Come out and check out these beautiful animals. And of course, they have rescued all of these and are trying to make sure that we get them back into the wild when possible. So come out and support this great cause. Check out this amazing place and just come look at these beautiful birds. 11 a.m. Mess Fest at Orlando Science Center. Free up to $21. Come on out and enjoy getting a little messy. 12 p.m. on Saturday, the Saturday Matinee Classics Cabaret at Enzian Theater. 12 p.m. Vegan Health Festival at Persimmon Hollow Brewing. Come on out in the Lake Eola area and enjoy a beautiful, healthy way of spending your day. 1 p.m. Mills 50 Mega Pop-Up Market at Quantum Leap Winery. Mini vendors, and it is a free event and also in cooperation with House on Lang. So make sure you go to both places to get the full amount of pop-up markets and check out all these amazing vendors that are just for you. 2 p.m. on Saturday, Beer America at Gaston Edwards Park, $40 to $70 will get you into this beer-fueled festival. And in celebration of American Craft Beer Week, Beer America will feature 100 different craft brews to sample from, all from the good old US of A, live music, food trucks, game zones, and so much more going on. So make sure you come out and support this amazing event and have a few beers. 8 p.m. SpongeBob the Musical at Alexis and Jim Pugh Theater, Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts, $14.50 and up. And you can check out this guy that lives in a pineapple under the sea. All right, guys, going on until May 15th, so hurry and go see this now. 10 p.m. Nala at Elixir. $10 to $20 will get you into this amazing musical experience. Don't miss out. Go find this amazing, amazing artist and enjoy a little time out downtown. All right, guys, we're going to end the week on a little bit softer note. All right, let's get into it. 9 a.m. Peach You Pick at Honey Feast Farms. Peaches are $3 per pound. It's free to come out. You just pay for the peaches you pick. And of course, it's going on until May 31st. 10 a.m. Conway Community Market at Barrelborn. Come on out and support the community over here in the Conway area. Enjoy another great market and see what's going on in this area of town. 11 a.m. Sound Healing Workshop at Hotel Casadega. All right, Casadega's a little further out there, guys, but sometimes it's worth the trip. So if you're into sound healing, you might want to come and check it out. 2 p.m. Second Annual Malcolm X Book Fest 2022 at Martin Luther King Jr. Park, and it's free. Come on out, get some reading done, and enjoy this great event. 2:45 p.m. The Big Cat Summer Sip and Stroll at Central Florida Animal Rescue. $50 will get you into this amazing event. Come out and check out these amazing big cats. 5:30 p.m. One of my favorite local bands. You know I love you all, but this one's got a special place in my heart. Run Raquel at Boxy Park, Lake Nona. Guys, support this amazing band. They are all great people and they sound awesome. So come on out and check out Run Raquel for yourself. 6 p.m. Injury Reserve, Armand Hammer. Akai Solo at The Social. $25 to come out and check out these amazing locals and enjoy a little more time downtown. 7 p.m. Full Moon Glow Ceremony at DGBEK Studios. 7:30 p.m. Wordplay, Authentic Selves, Poetry Reading, and Open Mic at Temecula Arts Foundation. Come on out and let it all out. You can say what you want. You can do what you want. Enjoy a little poetry reading and let them know what you're thinking. All right, guys, 8 p.m. Storage Unit Music, Trotsky's Water Cooler, Jonas Van Den Bush, Greg Hundala. Aaron's Home at Uncle Lou's. This one's only $5, guys. That's right, $5 to see all these amazing bands. Come on out, support your local community, enjoy local music today, and let them know how much you love them. All right, guys, make sure you drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Did we glow it up this week? If you want to see something else or you have some other ideas, certainly drop us a comment about any events you're hosting. And here's how you can reach us. And other than that, guys, hope you have an amazing weekend. Peace. We will catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.